So I have the M4 iPad Pro and I'll be showing you how to restart the iPad. So this is going to be a normal restart, not a forced one. Okay. Now, and you can do this in case you find that your iPad is a bit laggy or some apps are hanging and you just want to restart it. All you have to do is press and hold the power button, okay, and the volume down button. So just press and hold these two buttons until you see the power off menu, slide to turn off, and then you want to give your iPad about 10 to 15 seconds. And then you can again go to the power button, long press that button until you see the Apple logo. And then you can let go and allow the iPad to boot right back up. So that's the normal way of restarting your iPad Pro. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below and good luck.